In activity 4.03, I'll demonstrate copying a table and modifying the structure. Essentially, we'll delete some fields and data that are duplicated in other tables, and then we'll designate a primary key field. So let's go to the Backstage view, and let's click Open, and navigate to the 0A 4A city directory table, and let's open that up. Now notice we have three tables. I want to take a look at departments, which has 4 fields, as you can see. And I'm looking at the data. If I want to look at the structure of the table as it's defined, I go to the design view, and I see here's my structure. I've got these 4 field names and their text data types. Sorry. Alright, I'm going to go back to data sheet view, and now you can kind of see the structure up here, but you're not sure if these are text fields. You can guess that they are, but you're not sure. Close this. Now, with department highlighted and the object closed, copy and then paste. Pasting will paste the table as the following name. We'll call it 4A Departments Revised. And we have 3 paste options. Structure only. Now if we were to pick that, it would copy the structure of the department table, but with 0 rows of data, or 0 records. Structure and data will copy the whole table, including the data, and append data to an existing table is the selection we would use if we wanted to add records to an existing table. So we want to make a copy of departments, so we pick structure and data and say OK. And sure enough, we have departments and departments revised. And this has 37 records, it has the same fields, it has the same structure, and so therefore that's an identical copy of the table. Now open up departments revised again, and I'm going to select department head. I'm going to use the black down arrow of doing this so you can see it. I'll select department head and admin assistant, and then I press the delete key. Yes, I want to permanently delete the selected fields and all the data in those fields. So now I essentially have a list of departments and their phone numbers. Now we need to add some more info to this structure of this. I'm going to go to design view, select next to department, and then I want to insert a row. I want to create a department ID row, tab A for auto number, enter, and now I've added an auto numbering field. And then I also want to select a primary key, which is the department ID. Now when I go back to datasheet view, I'm saving the table. You'll see that I have the auto numbering is automatically sequencing the records in the order of the department ID. But you'll notice that the department name is not really in alphabetical order. So if I now sort that A to Z, you'll see that the order of my department ID auto number field is mixed up, but my department is sorted by department name. And that's fine, because we don't care if department ID is in order. We only care that it uniquely identifies a record. Although in this case, having a department name and a phone number match is unlikely, but still, putting the department ID auto number in there guarantees we have a unique record in each case. Now, let me delete. I'm going to delete one of these rows, the city assessor. And I'll highlight it at the record selector. I'll delete the record. Yes, I'm about to delete the record. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it back into department ID order. And notice that it didn't renumber all these records to make a 5 exist. Once we delete that number 5 record, it's gone. Access does not resequence the auto number field. It will simply keep adding records at the end. So if we add a new record, we'll end up with number 38 or 39, whatever's next. But it will never go back and fill in that 5. All right, at this point, let's save the table. Yes, and we're done.